evaluate the integral of x plus 1 raised to the second power times x minus 1 raised to 1/3. So we can apply u substitution. So let u be equal to x minus 1 because x minus 1 is raised to 1/3, which is a fractional exponent, which is more complicated than just a whole number, right? Then getting its derivative of u du, derivative of x minus 1, derivative of x is 1, minus derivative of 1, 0. So 1 minus 0 or simply 1 dx or simply dx. If we substitute, we'll have integral of, so we need to represent x here in terms of u. So using the substitution, we solve for x in terms of u here. You just transpose the negative 1 to the left side. So we'll have u plus 1 is equal to x. So x is equal to u plus 1 and then plus 1 squared, and then x minus 1 is u raised to 1/3, and then the dx is equal to du. So simplifying, we'll have integral of u plus 1 plus 1 is 2 squared u to the 1/3 du. So we expand the square of the binomial. So applying the special product, x plus y squared is equal to x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. So we'll have integral of square the first term u, that's u square, plus twice the product of the first and the second term. So 2 times u or 2u. So we will have 2 times 2u, 4u, plus the square of the second term 2 square or 4. Then times u to the 1/3 du. And then we can distribute this u to the 1/3, multiply by each term. So u squared times u to the 1/3. So if we have same base u, we just copy the base u and then add the exponent, right? So u to the 2 plus 1/3, which is equal to 2 and 1/3 or 7/3, plus 4 u times u to the 1/3, again copy the base u and add the exponent 1 plus 1/3, which is 1 and 1/3 or 4/3, plus 4 times u to the 1/3, 4u to the 1/3 du. So since we have three integrals, we can distribute the integral symbol. So we have integral of u to the 7/3 du plus 4 integral of u to the 4/3 du, then plus 4 integral of u to the 1/3 du. So applying power rule, integral of u to the n du is equal to u to the n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c, provided that n is not equal to -1. Integral of u to the 7/3 is u to the 7/3 plus 1 over 7/3 plus 1, plus 4. Integral of u to the 4/3 is u to the 4/3 plus 1 over 4/3 plus 1, plus 4. Integral of u to the 1/3 is u to the 1/3 plus 1 over 1/3 plus 1 plus c. Then simplifying, we have u to the 7/3 plus 1 is 10/3 over 7/3 plus 1, 10/3, plus 4 times u to the 4/3 plus 1, that's 7/3 over 4/3 plus 1, 7/3, plus 4 times u raised to 1/3 plus 1, 4 thirds over 1 third plus 1, 4 thirds plus c. And then we need to get the reciprocal of the denominator. So we'll have 3 tenths of u to the 10 thirds, then plus 4 times the reciprocal of 7 thirds is 3 sevenths, then u to the 7 thirds. So this will be 4 times 3 sevenths or 12 sevenths. 12 sevenths plus 4 times the reciprocal of 4 thirds is 3 fourths times u to the 4 thirds plus c. So we can cancel out the 4. We just have 3. 3 u to the 4 thirds. And then the last step is to replace or substitute back the u in terms of x, which is x minus 1. So we have 3 tenths of u, which is x minus 1 raised to 10 thirds plus 12 sevenths u, which is x minus 1 raised to 7 thirds plus 3u x minus 1 raised to 4 thirds plus c.